Elabo ist vom Ursprung her ein
Elabo has always been renowned internationally as an industrial equipment supplier. In other words, we provide manufacturers with intelligent workbenches, as well as complete, fully automated assembly, measuring, and testing equipment. So we are right at home, both in made-to-order manufacturing and mass production. In both areas, so with workbenches as well as fully automated assembly lines, our business essentially requires a lot of consultation work. That's why our approach is one of customer care. We are there for our customers from a very early stage, from planning and design through to facility installation. And we also emphasize support during service and maintenance. In our collaboration with NavVis, we see real opportunity to offer our customers added value at a very early stage, in design and in planning. Together with NavVis, we can actually record and scan the factory building and then simulate it as well, enabling the ideal production environment for the customer.
eine optimale Produktion zu ermöglichen.
Eine große Stärke von ipo.log.
One of ipo.log's great strengths is 3D simulation. It allows everybody involved to clearly visualize exactly what things will look like. Thanks to NavVis, we can also add an entire factory in 3D at the touch of a button. And that's without generating everything first in CAD or painstakingly modeling the entire production facility. This is the major advantage of a hybrid model that combines NavVis data with ipo.log data, which has been enriched with CAD that is already available anyway.
Mit CAD-Daten, die ohnehin existieren.
Die Halle D wird künftig
In the future, Hall D will be split into 3 areas. First of all, we have the trade show storage area, which we have located here. It's an enclosed area, and we will also move our mechanical production, our prototype production, into this hall. This will allow us to grow in size, actually by a considerable margin, and also to modernize our machinery at the same time. Also, around half of the production area here in the hall will be available for bench assembly. For me, it's really important to include your employees. In our experience, the more we simulate in advance, ideally of course in 3D, the easier it is for employees to visualize how they will be working in the future.
wie sie künftig arbeiten sollen.
Digitalisierungsprojekte erfordern auch immer
Digitization projects always bring changes in the working environment. This means that employees who are new to their working environment must be able to cope with new conditions. However, to make this transition easier, we try to involve our employees as early as possible. To do this, they can either get used to processes in advance in our training factory, or we use our mobile solutions to provide opportunities in advance, where they can learn about how to use digital solutions in their work. We see NavVis as an additional building block in our employee training program and in knowledge management for the information age. With NavVis, you can realistically simulate an employee's working environment in advance, and by including new information, additional information, give the employee the chance to get used to their working environment without ever being there in person.
ohne wirklich live in diesem zu sein.